Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday 17th of April. The time is 2:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to be looking at the chart of the Nasdaq. This is a 30 minutes chart. We can see right here the rally is in an impulse right here with a lot of extension and a lot of clear 5 waves subdivision. We got this 1 and 2 here, and now this is 3 and 4. That means we are now within wave 5. As you can see, wave 5 subdivides into another 5 waves, in which we have this 1 and 1 of 5 here, 2 of 5, and this is ending 3 of 5. We should be doing 4 of 5 and 5 of 5 before ending the 5 in blue. So for the upside is expected while we stay above 84.81. Now in the very short term, there is still possibility that we make another high and still within wave 3. I think that possibility definitely exists. So we could in fact be doing this, but doesn't really change the overall idea and the overall structure that much. If we make a marginal high, then we still can be in the wave 3 with a pullback and then higher again. So the bottom line here is that as long as the pullback stays above stays above 84.81, we are favoring more upside. We have the right side up in the Nasdaq right here. So let's check it out from a little bit bigger point of view, looking at the 4-hour chart of the Nasdaq. Okay, let me go to the 4-hour. Alright, so over here, this is of course, as you know, the sell-off because of the COVID-19, and this is the low, and now the rally. Now look at the rally. The structure is impulsive. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 in blue. If we take a look here in the previous short-term chart, this is the 3 and 4. So the same 3 and 4. This is the 1 and 2. So we're talking about 5 waves up that starts from this low here, from April the 2nd. Okay, so from April the 2nd, we have what looks like an impulsive move. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this 3 is where we can see right here. This is the subdivision, right? That is the subdivision, and we should be looking for wave 5 right now, right? We should be looking at the wave 5. I'm sorry, this is the 1 and 2 here. So we're talking about this one, this cycle from April the 8th. Okay, so we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now finishing up with 5, and still missing one more push higher as long as we stay above 84.81. Now if we take a look again in the higher degree, okay, now we can see this one also looking quite impulsive here. So there is a possible nesting here, in which for example this is 1 in the higher degree, and this is 2, something like that, which is a possibility, right? And so this could be with 5 of 3, and then it can continue to see for the upside in the Nasdaq. And then if you take a look here, this one also looks quite impulsive as well. So the whole overall structure here is either ABC, right? This could be, let's say, it could be, let's put it this way, and the easiest way is AB, and then this is 1, 2, and then we are within the C. Or this could be 1, 2 in the higher degree nesting, and then now we are in the wave 3. Now if you measure using the Fibonacci extension from this COVID-19 low here, now you can see that we are currently already at the 100% extension area, and it still continue to go higher. Again, like I said, it seems to be missing this cycle here, still remains missing here. And if we can continue to go up all the way to 95.74, right, that actually increases the risk that this becomes a 1 2, and then the entire move is just a wave 3. Now in case for those of you, I know a lot of people are bearish the market. All right, a lot of people are bearish the market, but take a look at Amazon. So if you are very bearish the market, now explain why COVID-19 sell-off, and look at this. We have not only recover all the sell-off, but we have broken very decisively, broken a lot higher than the COVID-19 high. Right now, of course, some stocks are performing very well during this pandemic. A lot of people needs delivery, and Amazon is doing very well. Uh, Streaming business doing very well, like Netflix, because people needs entertainment and so on. But that just goes to show you, if you believe everybody, everything is bearish, it is not, right? Not everything is bearish, and you can see the technology stock seems to be performing pretty well during this period, right? And so going back to the idea of the Nasdaq, so the fact that the Nasdaq, now of course the Nasdaq is an index, it's not a individual stock, but it wouldn't be too hard to imagine, for example, if the other stocks continues to make new high, it wouldn't be too hard to imagine Nasdaq actually is gonna continue to go up and as an impulse and even break the COVID-19 sell-off high here, right? Wouldn't be too surprising or too difficult to imagine if that happens. So for now, that's what we are looking at least in the shorter cycle. We're looking for the upside well above 84.81. all right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe, and also we'll provide the link for the 14 days free trial in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day all.